Hello guys, this is Ashik and you're watching Techno World Rahmat. Today we'll talk about very important software that's used that people are using nowadays, and that's CamScanner. You can scan any kind of document and can convert it to the PDF and other formats, and I found that app very amazing. And if you want to use that app, we'll go through it today. Let's get started right away. But before going to the application, I'd request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the more updates like this if you would. Okay, let's get started then. You have to press the cam scanner, and in order to download that, you can go to the Play Store. You have to go to the Play Store and you have to write the cam scanner, and after then you have to download it, install it on your mobile. You all know the steps, that are very easy steps, you can do it yourself. And after then you have to open the app, the CamScanner app. Now once you open the CamScanner app, you will have an interface like this in front of you. So what you have to do then, you have to go to the you have to simply press this icon, the camera icon here. You have to press the camera icon, and after then if you have to take the photo of whatever you want to scan. Just take the photograph. So I took the photograph. Now at times it won't select it all. At that time you have to press it all, and then it will select all the document if your whole document is not selected, if at any point of time. Now what you have to do, if you want to rotate it left or right, you can do it here. And if you want to go back, if you think that you didn't scan it properly, the light was improper, you can go back with the back button. Now simply after this we have to click the next. Once we click the next, it will enhance the image itself, and you can see now the image is very clear in front of you. Now what you have to do after then, you can see there are many modes available there. Original, lighten, if you want to change, if you want to make it gray, you can do that. But this magic color usually works best. It gives you the best results. You can choose any kind of template there, whatever is shown there. After then if you want to add some more documents to it, you have to press save, for example. Then you have to tap it again. You have to tap this camera icon again if you want another document to be scanned. So you'll scan the next document, and after then what you have to do, again press the next. Now why I'm showing you this, because if you want to make a PDF copy of many documents, you can do it like this. After then you have to press save again. Now whatever be the number of the documents you want to scan, you have to press camera. After then you don't have to go back, otherwise you will not be able to make a single PDF copy of all the documents. So what you have to do here, if you want another document to be scanned, you have to press camera icon again. You will scan the other document, you will scan the next document, and then you can go on up to so many documents. Now if you want to share this, you have a share button available at the top. You can share it like this, but it will drop a link to the sharer on its on his page or her page. But if you want the whole document to be shared, the best way is to make a PDF. You have to press the PDF, and you can see now this has been converted to a PDF. Now after that PDF, now if you want to share, press the share. Sorry, something happened to it. And after making the PDF, can share it. Now now you can share it to anywhere. If you want to share, you can copy it to your folder, you can send it to your PC, you can send it to WhatsApp, whatever you want to do, you can do that. So this is the simple way by which you can scan the documents with the cam scanner. It's a very good scanner as far as I'm concerned, because I have used it, and it enhances your image a lot, and it creates a very good, very good image of whatever you scan. So I hope this would help you to some extent, that how you can use the cam scanner And if you like the video, please press the like button and do subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot. Thank you.